Hello guys, in this guide I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily calculate your food and drinks costs in just 5 minutes for free. We're going to leverage AI without complex formulas or fancy spaceship calculations, okay? We're gonna make it fast and easy, promise. My name is Kira. I'm the founder of Venue Vibe Studio. We help bar and restaurant owners increase profits at their venues. The first part of our menu makeover process involves discovering your numbers. Our goal is to find the most profitable items on the menu. Essentially, we need the sales data and we need the costs associated because, yes, sales data will tell us which are the most popular items, and that's already a very good starting point, but we also want to know which items on the list do provide us with higher profits. As you can imagine, there is pretty much no problem when it comes to the sales data, but when it comes to food and drinks costs, we see a lot of lost faces. So as part of our system, we've created this very simple workflow to help venue owners come up with a reasonably precise food and drinks costs that we can use for future reference. So what do we need? We need a list of all the recipes when it comes to food and drinks. So talk to your bartender, talk to your chef, and ask them respectfully, yo, lazy motherfucker.
Okay, fine, I'm cool.
Ask them to send you the recipes. We're also going to need less detailed invoices of the items that are on your list. So take three, four invoices where you are going to have like 99% of ingredients, 3-4 for the food, maybe 5-6 for the beverage. The only limit is that, if I'm not going wrong, Perplexity has a 10 files upload limit, but you can easily bypass that. With the first request, you can ask it to batch all the invoices, 6-7 of those, into one single file. It will create you a CSV file that we will later upload to Perplexity. One quick tip: make sure that ingredients on your recipes are called the same way that Perplexity will find it on invoices. Only that. Let's jump into it, and I'm going to show you how it works. So we are in the research tab on the free version of Perplexity. The prompt we're going to use is this: you are a chef. Your goal is to precisely calculate food and drink costs on the items we'll provide. The recipes and invoices for price reference are attached. Output a CSV file with a detailed breakdown of every single item on the list. We're going to attach our invoices and recipes files. In this case, I'm going to be using a very simple and easy food cost test file with only carbonara, amatriciana, and gricia recipes, but we've tried it on bigger and longer files, and it works just fine. And the screenshot of Apple Notes for price referencing, and we're going to run it.
A few moments later.
3 minutes, 2 minutes, it's going to be faster. Trust me, it's going to take much less than if you would do that manually. Actually, here is the output in like 30 seconds or something like that. Food cost analysis complete. I've calculated blah blah blah. So carbonara 148, amatriciana 120, and gricia 0.78. The detailed CSV file with every ingredient broken down by the line is ready for download, and here it is. It works just great. A question we got asked pretty often, like, why don't we account for labor costs in the food cost? In our opinion, that's not the cost that belongs in there, because that's actually a fixed cost. If it's Monday night and there is nobody at the venue, you're still paying them. You can account for labor only in the case when the person is paid based off results they produce. For example, salesperson, okay, they don't have a fixed part. They only take a fraction of what they make for the business. Anyway, here we do only consider cost of goods sold. All of these amounts should be VAT excluded. It shouldn't be a problem when it comes to invoices, but when it comes to the price we sell at the tables, you have to deduct VAT component. We want to see the net amount we get at the end of the transaction. Okay, that's about it. And if you have your recipes handy and everything else, it's going to take you like literally 5 minutes, maybe while your bartender and chef are retrieving their files. You can go and grab your invoices, just plug everything in there, and in 10 minutes you are going to have all of the food cost. Okay, so that's essentially it. I hope you find this guide useful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to cover a lot of restaurant, bar, venue related issues on this YouTube channel. I'm going to also link my website and the free menu makeover guide, so you can use this food and drink costs calculations as part of the menu makeover process. You can absolutely perform on your own for free. Otherwise, you can reach out and we'll help you in doing so. Okay? Wish you a wonderful evening. Bye bye.